Music has always evolved alongside technology. From analog synthesizers to digital production tools, innovation has reshaped how we create and experience sound. But as the industry grows, so does a hidden problem. What happens when all that equipment reaches the end of its life? Today, we explore the recycling challenges of musical electronics and instruments, and what it will take to build a more sustainable future for the music industry. Over the past 2 decades, music technology has exploded in popularity. Home studios are now common, live performance gear is more advanced than ever, and independent artists have access to powerful digital tools. With this growth comes a surge in discarded equipment, everything from mixers and MIDI controllers to amplifiers and recording gear. Unlike everyday electronics, these devices are highly specialized. They often contain unique components and hybrid designs that make recycling far more complex. And when they're thrown away improperly, valuable materials are lost and environmental damage begins. Musical electronics are built from a complex mix of materials: plastics, metals, glass, wiring, and batteries, all packed into a single device. Each of these materials requires a different recycling process, making separation difficult and time-consuming. Many older or analog devices also contain rare or outdated components that are no longer manufactured. This makes repairs harder and limits opportunities for reuse. Even more concerning, some equipment contains hazardous substances like lead or cadmium. These materials must be handled carefully by licensed recyclers to prevent environmental harm. Another major challenge lies in how these devices are designed. Manufacturers often use proprietary parts and custom circuitry, which makes it difficult to standardize recycling processes. Many devices are not built with disassembly in mind. Components may be glued, sealed, or hidden behind complex enclosures. Instruments like electronic drum kits combine mechanical and electronic systems, making separation even more complicated. All of this increases labor costs and reduces the efficiency and feasibility of recycling. Unlike smartphones or laptops, musical electronics are rarely accepted in standard e-waste programs. As a result, many musicians and studios store old equipment indefinitely or dispose of it improperly. Recycling facilities may lack the expertise needed to handle specialized audio gear, especially items with vacuum tubes, strong magnets, or lithium batteries. When these devices end up in landfills, hazardous substances can leak into the environment, posing long-term risks to soil, water, and human health. There are also emotional and financial barriers to recycling musical equipment. Vintage gear often holds significant value, both monetarily and sentimentally. Musicians may keep older equipment for years, even if it's no longer functional. At the same time, properly recycling large or complex devices can be expensive, especially for independent artists or small studios. With limited trade-in programs or donation options available, many people simply don't know what to do with their outdated gear. The path forward begins with better design. Manufacturers can adopt eco-design principles that prioritize durability, modularity, and ease of repair. Using standardized components and replaceable parts makes devices easier to fix and easier to recycle. Reducing material complexity also improves the efficiency of recycling processes. When companies take responsibility for the full life cycle of their products, sustainability becomes part of the innovation. Expanding access to recycling and reuse programs is equally important. Retailers, event organizers, and industry stakeholders can establish dedicated collection points for musical electronics. Community-based initiatives like repair cafes and refurbishing centers help extend the life of equipment. Donations to schools and nonprofits give instruments a second life, supporting both sustainability and creativity. Collaboration across the industry can build a stronger infrastructure for responsible e-waste management. Awareness plays a critical role in driving change. When musicians understand the environmental impact of their equipment, they can make more informed choices. Supporting brands that offer repair services or recycling programs helps shift the industry towards sustainability. Simple habits, like maintaining and repairing gear, can significantly reduce waste. And as artists influence culture, they also have the power to inspire more responsible practices across the industry. Musical electronics present unique challenges in the world of e-waste, from complex designs and hazardous materials to limited recycling infrastructure. The barriers are significant, but not insurmountable. With collaboration between manufacturers, recyclers, musicians, and policymakers, the industry can move toward more sustainable solutions. By aligning innovation with environmental responsibility, we can ensure that the rhythm of technology continues without leaving a harmful legacy behind. If you're ready to responsibly recycle your electronic equipment, we're here to help. Reach us by phone, email, or through our website. Our team works with licensed recyclers to ensure safe, compliant, and environmentally responsible handling of your equipment. Let sustainability take center stage, because every piece of retired equipment deserves a responsible encore.